Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 pushing out 285 horsepower. For wheels we've got 5-spoke 17-inch alloys. Jeep Wrangler Sport badging on the side. Black cloth interior. Removable top, spare tire, opening up the tailgate, got fold down rear seats, alongside we got power windows, steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, backup camera, touchscreen media display, climate controls, automatic transmission. This Jeep has 5,700 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep Wrangler Sport, check out feldmanimports.com.